Hi everyone, I'm Eddie Lam from the Multi-Peak Solar. As we all know, solar panels are great investment in both the environment and water. However, over time, dirt, dust, and debris can accumulate on the surface of the panel, which can reduce the efficiency up to 30%. So, cleaning your solar panel regularly is a simple and effective way to ensure that you are getting the most out of your investment. So, our company, Multi-Peak Solar, developed a solar panel cleaning brush. Now we are going to unpackaging this box to see how it looks like.